Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to design print-ready files in Canva using bleed and crop marks. This is essential for flyers, business cards, brochures, and posters. First, go to canva.com and log in or create a free account. Click Create a Design and choose the correct size for your print project. Using the right dimensions is the first step to professional printing. Design your layout, but keep important text and logos away from the edges. Extend backgrounds slightly beyond the page edge. This is called bleed. Go to File and turn on Show Print Bleed. You'll see a thin border showing where trimming may happen. Before exporting, double-check spacing, alignment, and image quality. This helps avoid printing errors. Click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Print, enable crop marks and bleed, and download the file. This is the format most printers prefer. Quick tips: use high-resolution images, avoid screenshots, and confirm color settings with your printer. Small details make a big difference in print quality. And yeah, that's how to design print-ready files in Canva with bleed and crop marks in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.